Studios presents, and when Free Striker involves, you can create Blizzard Nova. With the power of the Ice Star, Free Striker evolves into Blizzard Nova without a doubt. With his Ice Sword of Mastery in one hand and his freezing crossbow on the other, he literally is the King of Cool. Though this ice jet may look simple, it runs on the coldest turbines and thrusters. Like a moving storm, he freezes everything he flies past, along with his powerful ice cannon on the back to turn every single villain into a frozen statue. Nothing can stand in his way, even the hottest lava.